28 teachers from 3 North Jersey counties explored the Hackensack Watershed this week to help them bring science classes down to earth for their students. The program, led by the New Jersey Audubon Society, was sponsored by the Honeywell Institute for Ecosystems Education. Science and technology correspondent Patrick Regan has that story.
These teachers covered a lot of ground before today's closing session, devoted to pouring a week's worth of experience and ideas into brand new lesson plans. From the Meadowlands Environmental Center and parts of the Hackensack that most people see only from highway and railroad bridges, they traced the river back to a headwaters stream in Tenafly and back in time through a geology tour that reached up to the Palisades.
I'm excited. I feel like I'm a kid again. There's so many outdoor activities that I'm going to do with my students next year. And it's just been invaluable because I've learned a new way of looking at nature.
On Tuesday, we went out on an eco-cruise with the Hackensack Riverkeeper. We went to the Bergen County Utilities Authority. Then we also explored the natural area adjacent to the Bergen County Utilities Authority, which is a created successional field and forest. The watershed as an organizing thing, it gives people, especially the teachers, a focus in their own backyard.
The Hackensack River is located in the Piedmont section of New Jersey, and the history of the Piedmont goes back to the eras of the Triassic and the Jurassic, the time when dinosaurs were walking the earth, the time when all of the continents on earth were gathered together in a supercontinent of Pangaea.
What we know as New Jersey was down near the equator, in the middle of that landmass, in bedrock exposed by millions of years of erosion and decades of quarry work. The teachers found a snapshot of the supercontinent's breakup, igneous basalt pushing up through older sedimentary rock. They were also discovering or reinforcing a new approach to teaching.
What we learned here is about inquiry and getting students to then kind of ask questions on their own and try and discover the answers to them, as opposed to just me telling them what they're supposed to know.
You know, I came into the school system because as a veterinarian, I came in wanting to bring the purpose of why you need the sciences. With the advent of the testing that has occurred throughout the nation, NJN, once called GEPA, it seemed for me like it curtailed on some of the creativity. This is like an answer to a real heart's desire.
Patrick Regan, NJN News.